The application of my program has proven to be fun and engaging and has helped hundreds of elementary students develop a strong phonics foundation, which resulted in all of my students reading on or above grade level. Knowing all letters and sounds and how they work together is key when sounding and blending. The objective is for students to learn all vowel sounds with symbols and every consonant with rules. Here's a fun fact. When students learn sounds with a beat or through a song repetitiously, the rhythm and melody helps them remember the sounds. It's the same way they learn lyrics to their favorite song. Here, let me show you what I mean. Unlock your child's full potential. Tap the link in my bio to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join our program at MissTiffany'sClass.com.